Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a simple embroidery hoop ideas. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to make a holiday decoration, and I'm sure anybody can do because I think this is beginner friendly. I'm preparing a small hoop with a green fabric, a burlap rope, some decorative beads. This time I'm gonna be using clear white, pearl, and red beads. And I also need an embroidery floss that match with burlap rope. All I have to do first, I'm measuring the length of burlap, then I stick the rope with one strand embroidery floss, stitching around close to the edge of hoop to create a wreath. Next thing I do, I'm gonna be using blank strand of the MC embroidery floss to stitch some beads around the wreath. And because I want the joy of this season fill our home, this time I'm writing this letter J-O-Y and using backstage to create a candy cane letter. All that's left is to find yourself a ribbon, then you can hang it on your Christmas tree or place it at your Christmas corner in your house. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you have enjoyed this Christmas hoop art idea, and I look forward to see you next time. Bye!